Hi guys! So we have been learning all about shapes and about science. So let's talk about the shapes we've learned about. We have talked about triangles, which have three sides, one, two, three, and three corners, one, two, three. We talked about squares that have four equal sides, one, two, three, four. We talked about circles that go around and never stop and have no sides and no corners. And we also talked about ovals that also go around and around, but are longer than circles. So we have all of these shapes here made out of paper, and we're going to do an experiment, which is what we do in science. In science, we have questions, and we do experiments to find the answers to the questions. So I know I told you guys that you see shapes everywhere, right? If you look out the window, you can see shapes like squares, circles, ovals, triangles. You see them in buildings, you see them in your toys, you see them in furniture. Shapes are everywhere. And shapes are everywhere because they're strong. Sometimes we use shapes to build things. And we're going to see which of these shapes is the strongest. We're going to take each shape, we're going to put some books on them. We're going to count how many books each shape can hold. So we want to know which of these shapes can support the most weight. The one that supports the most weight is the one that has the most books on top of it without crumbling. Are you ready to try? So our question is, which of these shapes can support the most weight? Let's start with a triangle. I hope I have enough books for this. Let's see. 1, 2. Let's see. That's not working out too well. Let's give the triangle one more shot. 1, 2. Didn't do it. The triangle could only hold 2 books. So let's write that down. The triangle could only hold 2 books. So let's see about the oval. I wonder how many books the oval can hold. Let's try the same books. 1, 2, it's looking a little shaky. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 books. That was a lot. That was more than the triangle. So the oval can hold 8 books. So the oval can support more weight than the triangle. I wonder why. Oval 8, triangle 2. Now let's try the square. I'm going to start off the same. All right, ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. Only 3. The square could only hold 3. All right. We learned something. We have one more shape to try. So the triangle could hold 2 books, the oval could hold 8 books, and the square could hold 3 books. Last one is the circle. Let's try our circle. Oh, that's not it. This is the circle. Okay. Let's see. You can count with me. 1. Oh, it's looking a little wobbly already. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, so close. I thought it was going to beat the oval. 6 books. The circle could hold 6 books. So which shape can hold the most books? The oval holds 8 books. The oval can support the most weight. Let's look at this oval. You know what's interesting about the oval? That it's long. So maybe that's one of the reasons it can support more weight, because it's long and it can hold the book in different parts. It can hold more of the book. See? And the circle can't hold as much because it's not as long. Maybe that's one reason. Have you guys ever seen an arch? This is an arch. A lot of buildings are built with arches. These are very, very strong buildings because this shape, which is very similar to the oval, it's long and round at top, it holds so much weight because the weight gets supported all on the sides. So maybe that's why the oval can support more weight than the other books. I wondered what you think. Why do you think the oval supports the most weight? I can't wait to hear what you thought about. Okay? All right, we're going to talk more about this later, and I want to see your answers. And maybe you guys can try this at home too. See you later. Bye.